Quick tip for motorized dampers. If you are testing or doing maintenance and lose power, don't worry. You can operate motorized dampers manually. Use the manual override to turn the hand crank until you reach the desired position. Turn the manual override counterclockwise, and the damper blades will open via the shaft clamp. Lock the override when you are done. After testing, switch it back to the open position. Thanks to the return spring mechanism, it will automatically close when power is off. To replace a faulty damper actuator, first loosen and remove the shaft clamp. First, loosen the shaft clamp and slide the actuator off the damper shaft. Now fit the new actuator in the same position. Lock it tightly so it won't move during operation.